Hi, it's Cindy Horstman. So in our last lesson, we talked about a chord progression in A Dorian. This was A minor 9, then B minor 7 over A, so in approaching playing an improved melody over this, it's important to think about the aspects of the mode and what the most important notes are in the mode. So let's play the A Dorian scale. A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A. Well, to me, the most colorful and most interesting note is in fact the F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I would suggest in improvising, you want to emphasize that note. And when you hear it in the scale, you may hear it as wanting to resolve up or resolve down. So it's just a matter of personal choice, but just remember that note when you improvise. And maybe do in contrast with the chords, which in fact are very, the intervals are very close together. And of course, you notice the voice leading. You're going from one chord, you move down, everything moves down a string, right? So to contrast that, you may want to play larger intervals in your right hand as a complement. Octaves or even tenths. Mixed in with scale-like patterns. So these are ways to approach it to give you some parameters on how to improvise. So let's do our usual. I will create an accompaniment for you as you play and vice versa. And I will put the metronome on 55 to the quarter note with the subdivisions. So let's give it a try. Here we go. Intro, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now I'll improvise. how did you do? That was fun, wasn't it? So I encourage you to continue with this, and hopefully you'll enjoy it and experiment and get some ideas on how to continue with this. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next lesson.